start the reading for Sagittarius Ascendant today. So let me pull out the card from Tarot first. Let's see how the second week of October is going to be for Sagittarius Ascendant. One more card. I have tried one card, but two are coming. Earlier also two, so I will take it. Oh my god, it's not in two. See, more. So it's Divine's wish. So let me check the cards for them, and let me take one unicorn card for Sagittarius Ascendant. Just give me a moment, so let me take that card. So, one card from Archangel Drexel. So let's see that what are the cards we have received for Sagittarius Ascendant. So first card is Seven of Wands in reverse, Knight of Pentacles, Five of Wands, the Tower, and the Chariot. So if I see the reading love wise, earlier they were being defensive to their partners, and they were not concentrating on their partner, and they were not communicating with their partner. So now they want to offer their love, their pentacles to their partner. As you know that in Knight of Pentacles is a stable card in tarot, and this knight comes slowly, but it is always stable. They stay. So this is a condition. They want to give a stable the stable love to their partner, and they want to give a commitment to their partner, which will be a stable commitment, and they want to fight with everyone for their love, and whatever the wrong things were happening, whoever the people were who were influencing wrongly them for their spouse or partner, or they were influencing their relationship into a negative way. So those all people will be leaving behind, and they will be going to have a new movement in their love life. Okay, so if I take career wise, they have stopped being defensive in taking new opportunity, and they want to offer their help and their ideas into new business, and it's going to be a stable business, whatever idea they will be giving, and they will be fighting for their dreams and their ideas, and whatever they like, they will be fighting for that, and whatever is the negative influence in their career, that will be going out, and the career will take a movement. Okay, and now if I take this unicorn card, if you can see this card, the card is blessings card. Count your blessings, and the good in your life will multiply. So the unicorns wants to tell us that for Sagittarius Ascendant, then count your blessings. Okay, whatever small things are good things are happening in your life, count them, that always count your good things which are happening in your life, and you will get more and more good in your life. Don't count the negativity which is happening in your life. Count the good things only, whatever good is happening in your life. And let's see the message from Archangel, that what the archangels wants to tell us. So the angel which is for Sagittarius ascendant this week is Archangel Gabriel. We have a message from Archangel Gabriel. My dreams are filled with ideas and inspiration. I awaken with a clear memory of my dreams and easily interpret them. The insights I receive from dreams bring clarity and understanding to my life. As I already said, that you will be bringing new ideas to the business, and you're gonna be interpreting them, and you will be fighting for our ideas. So this card is also confirming the same. The archangel card is also confirming the same. And the stone for this week is Herkimer diamond. Are you able to recall your dreams? Dreams can be your internal psychologist and spiritual advisor. Take the time before going to sleep to form the intention to remember your dreams. Record them when you awaken and use them for contemplation. Dreams are powerful tools for self-healing, personal awareness, and spiritual growth. Whatever dreams you are seeing, just make a note of it after waking up and analyze that what kind of dreams you are seeing and what kind of messages divine want to give you, and be you're gonna get messages and clues about your spiritual growth and your personal growth and personal awareness in those dreams only. So this is the message which angels and unicorns wants to give to Sagittarius ascendant this week. Overall a good period, because the negativity is going out and the positivity is taking place in their lives. So overall a good week for Sagittarius ascendant. Congratulations Sagittarius ascendants for a positive week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.